Hey, Danny boy, good morning. Yeah, man. Yeah, you need a big radio, brother. That's what I was looking for, man. I got this bipolar finals here. 2 bipolar finals on this Barefoot Magnum S9, man. That's all we got.
Roger on the bipolar finals out there. Yo, man, one of these days, I'm going to get me a big radio.
Worldwide radio.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, look at that right there. Look at that right there.
Morning, 4-6. How are you, man?
Hey, top of the morning, 314.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to talk to you yesterday. That fucking guy in the Bronx was playing that fucking movie or some shit. Who's that crazy idiot?
Yeah, a lot of big radios out there at 314. But, yeah, I was out there. You were sounding good, man. You were sounding good. Considering that you're over there, Long Island City, Queens, man. You're sounding good, no doubt.
My sounds good? I got a different little box, man, but I don't know if it does the job or not.
Yeah, you're almost into a 5 over here in Newark.
I got a couple of boxes over here for sale, brand new in the box. I got a couple of boxes over here, a couple of 2 pills, 1 pill, whatever your clowns want. Come see me, man. I'll install it and match the radio for a flat-out 5-0. Oh, all the work done for a 50 with the sale, I'm clear. Well, 1 and 4, how much you supposed to push into them things? 1 and 4, how much you supposed to push? 1 drive and 4? Yeah, how much you supposed to push, Rick? When I'm done with the install in the radio, you could top out around 700 watts, dude. The nominal run like that is 120 times 4, 100 plus 1. You're looking at 580 pep watts. Take the Hey, leave that monkey alone. Yo, I like to spank with the monkey early in the morning. I like to spank early in the morning and wake him up. 18 boy. Radio. I'm in it to win it, baby. I don't talk red eye, I talk facts about it. Hey, dog, I'm not out here to win it. The king of the you said my guy to win, dog. He's Harold. I got boxes here, I'm clear. He's got boxes of rocks. That's the job the way it is now. Yeah, when it's all done, you... Hey, dog. Hey, man.
Yeah, I need me a 1x4, man. I need a bigger box. My 2 pills still fucked up, man.
I got one. I got a fat boy, 1x4. And if you want to do it with the RMS math, it's 80 watts times 4, which leaves you 320, and 60 on the driver, which leaves you 380. So if you really must know, you're looking at about, I don't know, about 300 bird. The king of New York, my car.
Hey, 314, so you got one, and you're not running it?
No, I got one. I got 2 fat boys. I got 1 and 2. Oh yeah, nice and quiet. This is what I like it. Junkie free, crackhead free. Laura St. Clair free.
Hey, 10-4 on the 1x2 and the 1x4, okay. Yeah, you need to upgrade your power cables. It's if you don't have the proper power cables for the 1x4, they push more. You need more amperage, a little bit more than what you're using to push that 1x2, man.
AKA Nora St. Clair, how about it, Cracky? You're going down. You gotta love it. You gotta love it out of sex offender, crackhead, and how he does it. You gotta love it. Thinks he's gonna get away with it. The little one. This one 1x4 is supposed to feel really... It's all over for you, junkie. That's the job because I went to the guy to check and he fucking burned his fuses.
Yeah, and on the safe side, you could do it at about 120 amps on that 1x4 to be safe. I don't know if you can get yourself an alternator that big in the car, whatever you're running.
On this morning's video, just watch.
I got 4 batteries. The problem
Jumpy got exposed. Leaf got exposed big time.
is I don't know if you talked to
Anybody know who 250 talking to out here? That Jumpy got exposed. That Jumpy got exposed.
Yeah, I don't know, Richie. I don't know who's he talking to. I don't know, man. He must be talking to somebody over there right next to him because I'm talking to 314 and he keeps on blabbing out there. Hey, I hear you on those 4 batteries, 314.
He goes talking to his own video game. Don't worry.
Yo, that was funny, man. That was funny. Most I got to admit that yesterday I did check out the video gate because somebody put a like on it, so it showed up on my page. And most of the video gate, 42 minutes I think he's got. 42 minutes on yesterday's video gate. I would say that 35 minutes he was ghost talking to himself, man.
I don't know, 206. I'd hate to be exposed fraudulent junk. Oh, shit. Ghost talking to your video gate up clear. You know what they should...
Yo, man, I don't know, dude. I don't know. He might have like a ghost station out there that it comes up to his brain or something. I don't know.
Invite any more big black men over and... Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. That's what you need, Richard.
Yeah, you're on that video gate, Eddie. But most of the time, once you're done with the video gate, Doug Plugger's talking to himself for like 33 minutes.
Oh, which one is this, man? You guys got 1,001 shit floating around there. Which one is it? Yours, his?
Enforcer's video gate, man. Enforcer's recorded now, so I was checking it out yesterday, man. Somebody put a like on it. I don't know if it was Richie or St. Clair. It came up to my page and I was checking it out, man. The boy ghost talks for about 33 minutes. He's ghost talking and smoking crack too, man. You can see him puffing that out.
Yet they're always watching. Don't you love it? Don't you love it? World of video gates. Thank God that they do technology today, right? Everybody's got cameras on their phones, man. You can't do anything today without getting busted somewhere. Late blast in New York, man. It's all your fault. Your boyfriend, Richard, made it clear that he masses.
Yeah, man, check that out, Richie. He was puffing heavy, man. He was puffing heavy, dude. He's puffing and cuffing, and man, he almost choked up on his fucking drugs.
Chat room, hey, Richard, you're done, man. Here's my question. Why were you...
Yo, stack a dollar, man. I still got you in a box, man. Stack of dollars. Worldwide Radio 206. Back on the side, baby.
The man who don't try to identify as a woman, walking to a little girl's stand. He was lighting those 12 candles. I got down. Well,
I don't know about lighting candles, but the boy was puffing and coughing, man. That's what I gotta tell you. That's what I observed on the video gate, man. You guys check it out and judge for yourself, man. Tells everybody else to stop doing drugs, and he's doing drugs on his own video gate. Come on, man. Hey, lowlife. Say no to drugs, lowlife.
I was like you. You were showing a junkie like you, Richard. But you know what? I'm a civil servant, Richard. I get drug tested all the time. No, sir, but you just can't hear me now. The big radios out there walking on the barefoot radio, right?
Yeah, that barefoot radio working really good, man. Hey, stack of dollars. That barefoot radio working really good, man. From a barefoot to a barefoot. I'm only on my barefoot radio too, man, but I got this duck plucker hooked up to my base antenna, man. No doubt about it. Hey, stack of dollars. Worldwide Radio. Worldwide Radio is what they call me. Break.
Alright, 206, I just want to put away. It was my last day of the week. I'm going on vacation. Every time I
right, big brother. Enjoy your vacation, man. Safe trucking. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your vacation, big brother. Hey, Stack of Dollars, 206 with the morning wave. Brega, brega.
Richie Holmes children. They're going to look at you and say, yo, I watched that man kill for children. Am I making allegations, sir? I got it all, 206. I got it all. Let me say it all. Stack of Dollars, that quiet.
Check, check. Check, check. Hey, Stack of Dollars, don't you touch that radio, man. Don't you touch those knobs. Put some Gorilla Glue on that radio, lock it up, throw the key away, throw the combination away. Worldwide Radio told you so. Break, break.
That is no excuse for that, man. I hear you, Mr. 206. I definitely hear you. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
That's my I'm civilized. We have a so-called civilized society, and we can't.
Hey, Richie, check that out. Squash.
That's the scoop. You can check out the commentary.
Hey, how do I do it, man? How do I do it? Barefoot Magnum S9 2 bipolar finals. How do I do it? Tell me. And the boy claims he's on a high rise. Remember when he came out here months ago, say height is might? The motherfucker was stuck on that line. He was stuck on that line every day. Height is might. Hey, 206, height is might. He was telling everybody he's on top of a high riser. Is still not doing the job, man. Hey, lowlife, go get your Dave made back, man. You had that thing on the layaway. Pay the man and get that box back.
Going down. They call me 452 Bravo, somewhere around the lower deck. Let me finish the rest of my coffee here. Then I just got down. He smoked it up. He smoked it up, dog. Yo, man, he smoked that shit right up. He smoked it up, dude. All in New York City. I know you're having a real hard time here in the right junkie in my video game. Because Jersey's cutting him off. And I know you have a hard time hearing him in Jersey because Brooklyn cut him off with him in the middle. But guys, he is so huffed up and puffy and angry and irate that he exposed his whole sometimes you don't know who you're talking to. Sometimes you don't even know who your own man is until you're busted. It's like that, though. This is reality. You know what I'm saying? This is reality. Sometimes you don't even know who your own man is until the police come and bring him and snatch him up with handcuffs. That's why you have to house these sex offenders. They have to be listed, right? They have to be in a database, and they.
Yeah, man, he's a ghost. He's a ghost, duck plugger. He's a ghost.
His name on any local databases for sex offenders around Utica Avenue. I think everyone listening should also do the same. And if you see Richard Cappy, don't be surprised. Audio, Sound King Audio, Sound King Radio. And do I sound like I'm nervous? Do I sound like I'm the one that got busted, disgusted, and trusted out here? Audio, Sound King.